Hi guys, so let's do a recap. This is the dollar index on the 1 hour chart. Okay, and if we move to the daily charts, what we can see is that the dollar index had been bearish. Okay, and this part where we have moved up here. Okay, this part where we moved up here this way. I posted about this on Telegram. It was an influx of buying momentum from commercials, okay, commercials, and I was expecting that the price should move up into this OB up here, this other block here, something like that, right? So taking out this high, this high, this high, this high. However, it is also possible that we might just find some kind of support here. We'll just find some kind of support at this point. Let me show you guys this area here. Okay, this area here. You might just find some kind of support here and then keep going lower. I also posted in my DX5 forecast that I expected that the dollar is going to react here as well, and then from here we can now then move higher into our targets. Okay, so from here now we can then push higher into that area. So this is the weekend, and so the two options now is that okay, either the dollar goes as I'm expecting. You can see that it's respecting this area really nicely. You can see the rejection from there. So you can push up from here, get into that, and then from there now I can now be interested in shorting. Or maybe the dollar is just going to keep moving bearishly from here. It might also keep moving bearishly from this area. So this might just be sufficient. This high being taken out here might just be sufficient to push it lower. Okay. And how would I know that push going lower is in effect? Okay. Here's how I'm going to think about it. Okay. Here's how I'm going to think about it. I want to see the dollar index. If we are to confirm that okay, the next move is to push below this daily order block and then continue moving bearishly. What we should see on the 1 hour time frame should be something like this. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is our area here. You can see that from the daily order block, we have a very nice reaction from there. Okay. Once this place fails over here, that's once we are able to take out this down here. Okay, you can see. Let me mark that out for you. Once we're able to take out this low without necessarily breaking out of this high first. So this high must remain intact and then this low taken out. Okay, once this low is taken out without breaking above this high, then dollar is continuously going to be bearish again for many days. Okay, going even below this low here. All right, but if we should find support here and then keep going higher, the main thing will be to the main initial move that I'll be interested in is gonna be to continue buying, right? Because right now we are bullish. Right now we're bullish, okay? That is for the meantime. So my main move that I'll be interested in will be to buy. Okay. But if we can go below this low, I would be very interested in selling like I have been selling before. So I don't trade dollar index, right? But I trade Euro USD, GBP USD, and the likes like that. And because of the confused state of the market, I avoided trading those majors this week. Okay, so I just avoided them. I traded crosses like Euro NZD, Euro card, USD, CHF card CHF, and NZD CHF. Those are the ones I traded in the forex markets this week. Okay, so I would like to see it if it reacts here and keeps going higher. I would expect that it to break above this high here. But if it doesn't show much strength moving out of this area, then it might just come down, break this low, and then from there I'll look for a retracement. And then in that retracement, I'll look at buying Euro USD, buying GBP USD, selling USD CHF, things like that. That kind of idea, you understand? So that is basically how this week went in the dollar index and what I'm expecting moving forward.